look at, please let's listen to this. We said there is what we call a module in Python. In Python, there is packages. There is module for different program that comprises different functions. This, we say there are what called built-in functions in Python. Those built-in functions, they comes with what Python. You as a programmer, you can also create your own function. And so that whenever you are doing any program, you can call it instead of starting from beginning. So all also a module is a package the programmer have already programmed it and they make it free inside Python that you can call a package. Those packages they are independent, but if you call them, then Python will install them so you can be using them. For example, now using square roots, instead of you to start doing one programming so that you will now uh, get square root. No, already they have already programmed it. You will just say square root to give you the answer. No need of following process like that. So that's where the issue of what modules come in. So there are a lot of module package you can use in Python. One of the module is math module or math module. And this is used when under what we call math method. And I said that any method, the way how you will understand what is a method when it has a full stop with a function, it becomes what a method. Now we say Python has something called a module. A module is a collection of useful tools, that's function. The math module contains mathematical tools like rounding up, rounding down, working with pi, square roots, and more. Before using it, you must first tell Python to load it. So meaning that if you call any math function within the math module, it's not going to come. You have to import, you have to call it first. For example, look at the board. Why is it that whenever I do this, it's going to